Okay, so we're going to look at fact families using a multiplication chart. Okay? All of these along here, along the top, are called factors. Say the numbers at the top are factors. The numbers along the side are factors. All the numbers in the middle are called products. So, use your fingers and say a factor times a factor equals a product. So, what I want you to do is I want you to randomly put your finger on any product in the middle of your multiplication chart. Boom. I landed on 20. Let's do 20 together, and then you can do 3 others on your own. Okay. So I landed on 20. I'm going to take one of my colored pencils, and I'm going to write that answer here as the answer to my multiplication problem. Perfect. Have a seat. So glad you're back. Don't worry. Thank you. Here, take one of these. And one of these. Thank you. Okay? Okay, have a seat. Okay, so 20 is my product. What are my 2 factors that I multiply together to equal 20? Put your finger on them. Fingers on them. Did you do 5 and 4 and they equal 20? Is 5 times 4 20? Okay, so now use your other colored pencil and fill in 5 times 4 and then flip-flop it. Right? The switcheroo property. 4 times 5. I know it's very light. I could even do this. Sophia, you just need any 2 colored pencils. Okay, but let's move quick. All right, now, division. We know division is just the opposite of multiplication, right? So, remember what we learned yesterday, that our biggest number, Sophia, no, 2 crayons out of your box. Thank you. Our biggest number is the answer to our multiplication, and what is it for the division? Where does it get locked in at? The very front. So, when we're looking at division, the divisor, remember that, is in the middle. Your dividend and your quotient are the side and the top. They're just like your factors, aren't they? Okay? Division and multiplication. Remember we told you they're married, right? They're just kind of like, they all go together as a little fact family. So, our biggest number is the beginning of our division, right? So we're going to start, and we're going to take 20, and we're going to put it here. Good. Use it. Make sure it's your same color. Make sure all of those are your same color. Okay? And we're going to go 20, what? Divided by 4 equals 5, and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Right? 20 divided by 5 equals 4, and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Right? Do you see it? Yes. Okay? So, what we did here was we randomly put our finger on 20, right? And then I looked at it and went, okay, my 2 factors, 5 times 4, that's where these 2 would meet, right? So 5 times 4 is 20. And then I can do my switcheroo. 4 times 5 is 20. Then for division, it's 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, married, fact family. How can any more numbers get mixed in when I'm dealing with 5, 4, and 20? They can't, can they? Because this is where they meet. And if I'm dividing by that, that's my other number. If I'm dividing by this, that's my quotient. Okay? So now, I want you to try one more on your own. So, this is what you're going to do. Do you want to watch one time and then you'll do the 3 more on your own? You feel like you're good to go?
Yeah. I think I'm not.
Okay. I'm going to show you one more. You don't need to write this one down. So look. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Pencils down. Colored pencils down. Crayons down. We just went. Okay. So just watch. If you're like, Mrs. Magee, I got this. It's okay. You're still going to live through watching one more example. You're not writing it down. You're still going to do 3 by yourself. Okay. I'm going to randomly point to a number. Ooh, 42. Okay. So I take 42. Now, you're not writing this, just me. I'm going to write 42 here, 42 here. I'm going to write 42 here and 42 there, right? Lock it into all 4 spots. Answer to my multiplication, beginning to my division, right? Then, with 42, my factors are 7 and 6, right? Trying to get this, I know it's not. There we go. 7 and 6 are 42, right? 7 times 6 is 42, 6 times 7 is 42. And then my division would be 42 divided by 7 equals 6, and 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Do you see that? Okay, so then I would go 6 times 7 is 42, 7 times 6 is 42, 42 divided by 6 is 7, 42 divided by 7 is 6. Muy bien? Okay, you are going to fill in. You didn't fill this one in, right? You're going to do 3 by yourself. Okay? You think you could do this? If you're stuck, it's okay to ask your neighbor, like whoever your partner would be. I kind of want you to try it on your own. But then if you're stuck, it's okay to ask your partner. Or put your hand up as Delgado and I are walking around. Okay? You need to do 3 more sets. So this whole paper's filled in. There's 2 more over here. Got it?